Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x80070002 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to remove the peripherals. So to remove peripherals, all you need to do is remove any peripheral which is not necessary. For example, printers, scanners, cameras, external DVR players, etc. Push their own drivers to the system, and that can cause a conflict. So you can remove unnecessary peripherals on your system. Now the next case is that this error basically means that there is not enough space on your system. So a disk cleanup can be very helpful in this case. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and click on disk cleanup and then click on OK. Check all of these boxes here, click on OK and then click on delete files. It will start deleting all of these files. Then search for disk cleanup once again. Okay, let us wait for it to complete. Then search for disk cleanup once again and open disk cleanup. Select the drive, click on cleanup system files and then select the drive and make sure that the disk cleanup cleans up everything. The next solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution is to restart the Windows Update service. So search for Services in the Windows search bar and open Services. I'll choose the standard mode. Now scroll down to the Windows Update service. It looks like a long list, but it's arranged in alphabetical order, so it's not difficult to find. Right click on it. If it's not started, then click on Start, and if it's started, then click on Restart. The next solution is a clean boot. Why? Because a lot of third-party software products interfere with the functioning of Windows Update, and a clean boot can be very helpful in this case. A clean boot disables all third-party programs at startup itself. So search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is enabled, click on Disable All, select Apply, OK, and then finally restart your computer. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command SFC/scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.